What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are actually on the kayak side of my shop. I know I haven't been here in a while, haven't been able to film any kayak related videos in a long time. We've been mostly spending the time on the other side of the shop building the Toyota build that we're doing. But today's video, I'm finally gonna get a chance to share with you guys the new partnership that I've got, the new kayak that I've got, and all the plans that we have for it right here on the channel. But before I get into that video, I do wanna share with you guys the new 160 can fridge for my shop. This was sent to me by New Air. They've been a long time sponsor, as you know, of Kayak USA. They've got a lot of great products on their website and they're having a huge sale right now. So I'm gonna link them in the video description. Y'all go check them out. This is their new 160 can fridge they sent me. I'm actually gonna be remodeling this side of my shop very soon. I'm gonna build a spot just for this in here so you can never have enough cold beers or enough cold waters and stuff in your shop when you're working. So huge shout out to New Air. Thank you guys for being a long-time sponsor. Link in the video description, and make sure if you go get you something, use promo code Kayak USA at checkout and save you some money. All right, so now we're gonna jump over into the video and I'm gonna share with you guys the new partnership. I've been waiting on this video for a long time. I'm gonna roll over the new kayak, show it to you. We're gonna do a full walkthrough and talk about exactly what we're gonna be doing to this kayak right here on the channel. Y'all stick around. All right, so if you've been following my channel for a long time, you know that we have built my Hobie PA12 from the ground up. We have wrapped it, we've added lights, a drawer system, a Bixby motor. We have done everything except for a kitchen sink on my boat. And I've been kind of wanting to start off fresh with a new boat for you guys so we can kind of start all over and try new things that we didn't really do to my boat. And that's where this new partnership with Bucks Island Marina comes in. They are a local company, they are a huge marina. They sell bass boats, they sell pontoon boats, and now they are in the kayak market. And they have partnered with some really big names. So today's video is gonna be the first build with Bucks Island on this kayak. And the way these videos are gonna work is I'm gonna take your guys' input for every video and get suggestions from what you would like to see added to this kayak. And Bucks Island is gonna give me those products to put on this boat. After the boat is completely built, we're gonna put it on their showroom floor and sell it as a Kayak USA kayak, fully rigged, fully built, and then we're gonna start over and get another boat and build it from the ground up. So without further ado, I'm gonna bring over the boat that they've sent me for the first build, and it's pretty sweet. Let me get the boat. Here she is. Check this out, guys. So as you can see, they are partnered with Jackson, and they are also partnered with Hobie and a few other kayak brands. This is the Big Rig HD FD. This thing has the pedal drive. It's got all the bells and whistles. This is a monster boat. It is super stable and I cannot wait to build this thing. So I'm gonna give you guys a quick walk around of the boat and then we're gonna go over the very first mod that we're gonna be doing to this thing. All right, starting at the front of this kayak, you can see this is the Big Rig HD FD. Now the FD stands for their flex drive system, which this is the first boat I've ever been on with flex drive, and I gotta say it is awesome. I really love their little porthole here in the middle. You can raise this porthole up, and by this lever here, raised and lowered, you can see the prop going up and down in the water. So this helps for cleaning the prop if you get into weeds or if you're coming up on a bank. You can click this prop out of the water and keep it from getting damaged. It's really cool. I really like that design a whole lot. The seat is awesome. The seat has full adjustability where you've got a low setting here or a high setting. And if you loosen these wing nuts, it's got this floor track system on the seat, and you can slide the seat really far back, depending on how long your legs are, or slide it all the way forward so you can reach your pedals if you're a real short guy. So that's really cool. I like that a lot. It's got the T-track system built on both sides of the kayak, so you can put rod holders, your graphs, whatever you want to put on the sides of your kayak. It's got the horizontal rod storage, which I really liked. I really like that in my kayak. When I haul my kayak somewhere, I usually stick rods in the little horizontal rod storage in there, and I love that. I love that they've got it on this boat too. It's got two slots on both sides of the boat where you can put your rod tips in. It's got track systems on either side of the seat for cup holders and this little thing right here, this actually is for clicking in your paddles or your rod holder, and you can pop your rod handles right in here and run them down the side of this pocket, right into the holes right up there to keep your rod tips safe. I really like that design. The seat, really well made. It's a really thick, breathable seat. It's got rod holders built into the back, track system all over this boat. I really like this. It's gonna give us a lot of options to really add stuff on here and build stuff that, you know, fits right into these little T-slots. It's got a huge storage in the back, as you can see. Watertight seal. It's got a really heavy duty rudder system. This rudder, I really do like. Look at this big old rudder. That rudder is controlled by either side of the seat. So if you're left-handed or right-handed, you can slide this forward and back. And let's see if I can get it to turn. And look at that, full turns with this rudder. Really smooth. I really like the way that operates. So if we add a motor, that's gonna be really easy to steer this boat. Again, it's got the track system on both sides. It's got the rod tubes over here as well. This is gonna be a really, really fun boat to build. All right, so I'm gonna give you guys a sneak peek of the very first mod we're gonna be doing, and it is the Torqeedo motor system. Bucks Island has already sent it out to me. We're gonna do a full install in the next video. We're gonna put this kayak in the water and see how well it pushes it around. If you're familiar with my channel, you know I've already installed the Bixby motor on my Hobie, so this would be a good comparison for me to see, you know, the difference between the Bixby and the Torqeedo. We're gonna do the full install, check it out on the next video. And if you can think of anything else that you'd like to see added to this, be sure you're leaving it in the comments. I'm taking notes. I'm gonna be taking your guys' suggestions, and we're gonna build this boat out to be the ultimate kayak fishing boat. Just keep in mind, this thing is gonna be put on the showroom floor over at Bucks Island, and someone is gonna be able to purchase this boat fully rigged, ready to go with graphs, storage, everything you can think of, and immediately go get into a bass fishing tournament somewhere and be just ready to go right as soon as they leave Bucks Island. So check them out. If you've never heard of Bucks Island, I'm gonna link them in the video description below. They sell everything from Yak Attack mount systems for kayaks, paddles, PFD. They've got a full tackle shop where you can buy all the tackle you can think of right there in the store. So check them out. Thanks Bucks Island for sponsoring this build series, and I'm excited to get this thing built. So be sure you guys are leaving comments below. If you're new, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell so you know when the next video comes up. And if you like today's video, hit that thumbs up for me. And I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.